Welcome back, design enthusiasts. Get ready to be amazed because today we're unleashing the ultimate design revolution. Introducing FigGPT, the game-changing plugin that will electrify your design workflow like never before. FigGPT is the extraordinary fusion of two powerful forces, the brilliance of ChatGPT and the limitless possibilities of Figma. It's a match made in design heaven, and we're about to dive into the mind-blowing features that will redefine the essence of design innovation. Let's kick things off with the summarization feature. Say goodbye to tedious scanning. FigGPT quickly condenses lengthy texts within Figma, boosting your content comprehension to extraordinary heights. No more information overload. Get ready for a new era of efficiency. Next up, prepare for the jaw-dropping style change feature. FigGPT empowers you to effortlessly perfect your design elements. From fonts that speak volumes to sizes that command attention and colors that ignite the imagination, sculpt your designs with unparalleled finesse. Feeling stuck in a creative black hole? Fear not. FigGPT has the power of idea generation. It breathes life into your imagination, generating a boundless array of innovative design and copywriting concepts. Say goodbye to creative block and unlock a treasure trove of inspiration. But wait, there's more. FigGPT revolutionizes text composition and editing with its awe-inspiring text composition feature. No more juggling between tools, seamlessly weave your words within Figma, harnessing the phenomenal AI prowess of FigGPT to supercharge your workflow and amplify your impact. Hold onto your seats because FigGPT takes the design world by storm with its breathtaking component population feature. Immerse yourself in a realm where components come alive with realistic sample data. Transform your design mockups into mesmerizing visual masterpieces that will leave everyone speechless. FigGPT is designed for all skill levels, from seasoned pros to design newcomers. It welcomes you with open arms and empowers you to unleash your full creative potential with its intuitive interface. Say goodbye to complexity and hello to limitless possibilities. Oh, and did we mention? FigGPT is absolutely free. That's right, this extraordinary plugin is available to all Figma and FigJam users without costing you a single penny. Embrace the possibilities without breaking the bank. But hold on tight because the excitement doesn't stop there. FigGPT is continuously evolving under the brilliant mind of Alex Shvinyanov. Regular updates push the boundaries of design innovation to new horizons. Follow Alex on Twitter for an exhilarating journey of progress and support. FigGPT is not just a tool, it's a boundless wellspring of inspiration that propels designers into a dimension of uncharted creativity. Its seamless integration and user-friendly design make it an indispensable companion for designers of all expertise levels, igniting the spark of genius within each and every one of us. And that, my friends, concludes our epic adventure into the captivating realm of FigGPT, an indomitable fusion of ChatGPT and Figma. Witness your design workflow ascend to celestial heights as your creativity surges like an unstoppable force. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video as electrifying as we did, remember to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-expanding content. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, turn on notifications, like, follow, and leave a comment.